Hello, welcome to Miss B's English Club. Today's lesson is about present simple tense. So, what is present simple tense? Well, it describes an action that is happening now or something that happens on a regular basis. It is used to describe daily activities, habits, and routines. Let's take a look at present simple tense in the first person singular form. Go. I go to school at 7 a.m. Eat. I eat dinner at 6:30 p.m. every evening. Walk. I walk to school. See. I see my grandma every other weekend. Present simple tense in the second person singular form. Go. You go to school at 7 a.m. Eat. You eat dinner at 6:30 p.m. every evening. Walk. You walk to school. See. You see your grandma every other weekend. Now let's look at present simple tense in the third person singular form. Go. Kevin goes to school at 7 a.m. Eat. My friend eats dinner at 6:30 p.m. every evening. Walk. Sarah walks to school. See. My cousin sees her grandma every other weekend. Did you notice the difference? Let's take a closer look. When using the third person singular of present simple tense, we must add an S or an ES to the end of the root verb. Shown below, you will see each of the root verbs highlighted in red. Can you find the differences? Lastly, let's look at present simple tense plural form. Go. We go to school at 7 a.m. Eat. They eat dinner at 6:30 p.m. every evening. Walk. We walk to school. See. They see their grandma every other weekend. Listen to some examples of present simple tense and select the correct answers. Example 1. Listen and select the correct option. A. Amy wake up at 6 a.m. B. My dad eats eggs for breakfast. C. You cleans your room every weekend. The correct answer is B. Example 2. Listen and select the correct option. A. I goes on vacation every summer. B. They takes the bus home. C. My teacher wears glasses. The correct answer is C. Example 3. Listen and select the correct option. A. I go to karate on Thursdays. B. Trevor ride his bike to school. C. We watches the weather report. The correct answer is A. Now, read some examples of present simple tense and select the correct answers. Example 1. Read and select the correct option. The correct answer is A. Example 2. Read and select the correct option. The correct answer is C. Example 3. Read and select the correct option. The correct answer is C. Now, using the word banks, write your own present simple tense sentences. Word bank 1. Use any combination of the subjects and root verbs in the word bank to write your own present simple tense sentence. Example: we drink water every day. Word bank 2. Use any combination of the subjects and root verbs in the word bank to write your own present simple tense sentence. Word bank 3. Use any combination of the subjects and root verbs in the word bank to write your own present simple tense sentence. If you are comfortable, please feel free to share your sentences in the comment section of this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please like and subscribe for more Miss B's English Club videos.